That's an L. That's a very big L. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because my car is going to be hitting the dyno again. So as you guys saw in my previous video of me installing a DSX Flex Fuel kit to run ethanol, today is the day that I am going to take it to the shop. They're gonna put some E in the ZL1 and tune it, and we're gonna see the power numbers, the new updated power numbers. So that is where we are off to right now. I'm really excited. But anyways, unfortunately, I am just a and you're supposed to take your car in at a quarter tank because they fill it with ethanol, and I just was not thinking, and I filled up my car to the top yesterday. So I've basically been driving around all day trying to get rid of this gas, and I am just so annoyed with myself because it feels like such a waste of money. I love driving, don't get me wrong, but it's just such a waste of money to do that. But anyways, we are off to the shop to get the ZL1 tuned right now, so come along with me to see how that goes. I'm really excited, I'm not gonna lie. We have like a 30-minute drive, so shouldn't be bad. Going left, holy hole in the road. Oh my gosh. Sorry, sir. So we are down the road from the shop. I'm about to pull in, and I will update you guys then on what goes down. So I believe they're going to do some, he said they're gonna redo some torque tables on 91 first, and then they'll pour the E in. So I'm excited. Oh, it just scraped. Anyways, oh my goodness, they have some C8s out here. Okay. Oh. Great. Did you guys hear? I had no idea that I was even gonna scrape there. That's horrible. But anyways, we just got here, so I'm gonna go inside, let them know I'm here, and I guess I'll show you guys the cars that they have outside right now. All right, hello everyone. So we just got here, Cords Performance Racing. As you can see, we have the ZL1, and then this little lineup looks like they have a 6th gen ZL1, C8 over there, Z06, that one looks sick. So anyways, I'm gonna go in and yay. Right guys, so we just checked in, I guess you could say checked in, but just waiting for the tuner to get here that's gonna be doing my car. So that's a little update. Oh, and by the way, you guys, if you see my hands like look super ugly and you're like, Autumn, why do your hands look so red and ugly? That is because I have like a chemical burn on both my hands. I don't know what the heck. I'm shaking a lot. I don't know what the heck I did. I think that it was like, I would want to guess that it's from working in the shop the other day and like wearing gloves for like hours straight, and maybe that irritated me, but it literally looks like a chemical burn. So there's that. Story of my life. So he just took the ZL1 back. They're gonna strap it down and get all that ready, and then I'm gonna go back there and watch. So well, too bad you're lame. So.
Oh, that's so mean.
All right, guys. 7:40 so far.
Oh my god. Well, look at the rear tire.
I scraped. Watch, he might scrape right there. Oh wait, no, I scraped coming in over here.
Look at your rear tire.
I know,
That's
it's
disgusting. Zoom in.
it looks so good.
No.
You can zoom there, but I'm Alright guys, so we just got done with the dyno and dun da da dun, the big reveal. So first off, I want to start by saying that, okay, so back in August when I last got my car dyno tuned, it made 668 wheel horsepower, so made 670, so that's what I came here with. And then they ran it on 91, and because of the really nice weather we have today, it ended up making 20 more horsepower on 91, and 2 more pounds of boost, so boost weather for you. But anyways, on E, and this is not full E, you guys, my car can really only do 30-40% ethanol. So my car is actually going to be running E40. On that, my car is making 748 wheel horsepower. So I am very happy. I have officially met the 700 goal, and we're in the 700s. And this is my first drive, so I guess let's go home and see how it feels. All right. I guess I'm gonna do some driving clips with you guys, might as well on my way home. So yeah, enjoy. Oh my gosh, that sounds so sick. I mean, it's always sounded sick, but this is just really exciting. All right, I'm about to get on the freeway, so I will show you guys that. All right, windows up. It is way too cold for this today. Oh. The weather is nice for the car, but not for me. So the plan was to do some polls on my way home, but stuck in traffic on the freeway, so that's really annoying. But yeah, little update. I love this car so much. This is just so exciting to like finally, wait, I need to roll my window up. This was so exciting. Yeah, we're going like 47 on the freeway right now. What is going on? But this was just so exciting for me. I know like 748 might not be a lot to some people, but for me, that was like my goal to be at 700. And so it's just really exciting, especially to see especially that I'm like doing the work myself, and then to see that paying off, and then like it makes me feel so much better that I know that I'm doing it right. Like I took it in there and I told the owner like, hey, I don't know if I installed it right. I hope I did it right, and I hope it works. And he was like, yeah, you did everything perfectly, really good job. So that's always a really good feeling when you do something yourself and you do it the correct way, because I am such a huge overthinker with those kinds of things. So I'm just really happy to see that it works and it's installed like really good, and I'm making the power that I want to be making. So it's really exciting. This traffic, you guys, it's really killing the vibe of me wanting to go fast. I just made it home, as you can see. Let's go get my dad's reaction to the power that I'm making. I'm gonna go show him the dyno sheet. And yeah. Moo! Oh, Dad! It's done! Guess. 748 wheel horsepower.
Is that a lot?
What the heck?
What did it have before?
It had 668 before.
Oh, that's good.
What kind of reaction was that?
Almost 100 horsepower for E85.
Yeah. No, it's not 85, it's E40.
Now he's got 328.
My Studebaker's got like 7.
Basically, I can only run 30 to 40% of ethanol.
Or what?
It's too
Yeah, I can't. He said my car was running lean. Remember how you said that the other day?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be a big scientist girl, and I have to mix and get the right.
You gotta mix yourself.
So he sent me the gauge that I'm gonna get, and it will read the ethanol content,
Okay.
which will help me. But I still have to like mix 91 and E85
Together?
to get Right, guys. So that is it for today's video. Very successful, I would say. I'm super happy. I definitely need to go drive it some more, do some pulls, and feel the power, and fill up the gas. I'm gonna burn through gas a lot quicker now, but that's the lifestyle I chose to live. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and stay tuned for more videos.